Hi guys, this is another session in the series of Stay at Home, Be a Hero. We will try to help you go through this coronavirus lockdown so that we can break the chain and make sure that we all come out safe during this period of time. If you like this video, please do share it with your friends who are preparing for CAT and other MBA entrance examinations. Please do subscribe to this channel. You can leave your comments, feedback regarding this video and any other video on our channel, and we will get back to you as soon as possible. If you would like, please do subscribe to our courses as well. The link is available in the description. Let's get on with it. Hi, this is a set from a past CAT paper. This is a replica of CAT 2016 set. I would suggest if you have not tried this set, please pause the video and look at the link, which will be available in the description of this video. There you'll get the entire set along with the answer key. Once you have done that, have a look at the rest of this session. It's a very interesting set. Not difficult. It's a moderate level difficulty, but it'll take some amount of working to solve this. Let's see what this is. The CEO of Pocket Launcher, PL, was looking at the latest salary reports of his CAT trainers. PL employs 136 trainers, and each of these trainers teach one or more of the three areas in the CAT exam: verbal ability and reading comprehension, VARC, logical reasoning and data interpretation, LRDI, and quantitative ability, QA. The trainers teaching exactly two of the three areas is 100. Trainers teaching exactly one of the test areas is 5 times the number of teaching all three areas. So this looks like a Venn diagram sort of a set. And let's see how determinable it is. It says how many trainers teach, how many trainers teach LRDI and QA only, what is the average annual salary of the trainers who teach all three areas, average salaries of the teachers training only. Okay, so there is some additional information here. The other three seem to be directly solvable, and it looks like a three variable Venn diagram. Okay, so let's draw a diagram and work it out. Total is 136. You have VARC, LRDI, QA. Everyone teaches at least one subject. So A will be teaching only VARC, B will teach VARC, LRDI, not QA, C only LRDI, and so on. Okay, so let's see what is given to us. Okay, the trainers teaching exactly two of the three areas is 100. Exactly two test areas is 100. And total is 136 people. This is B plus D plus F. Okay, the trainers teaching exactly one area is 5 times the number of trainers teaching all the three areas. Okay, one area is ACG. That is 5 times those who teach only one. That's E. Now, out of 136, 100 is gone. So the balance 36 will be split in the ratio 5:1. 36 split in the ratio 5:1. So this should be 30 and this should be 6. So E is equal to 6. Okay. Now, let's proceed further. Of the trainers teaching exactly two areas, those teaching LRDI and QA, exactly two areas, that's BDF. You're talking only about BDF. Exactly, LRDI and QA, that's D. D is 1 less than twice those who teach VARC and LRDI. Is 2B minus 1. 1 less than twice this area. Right. Of the trainers who teach only one test area. Okay, so that is ACG. Those teaching QA are 2 more than those teaching VARC. So G is A plus 2. And 2 less than those teaching LRDI. C will be G plus 2, which is A plus 4. So if I add this, ACG adds up to 30. That will be A plus 2 plus A plus 4 plus A will be equal to 30. So you will get 3a plus 6 equals 30. So a should be 24 divided by 3. 24 divided by 3 is 8. So c should be equal to 12 and g should be equal to 10. Okay, so I've summarized what we have till now. Okay, the last statement which was left over was the number of teachers training QA. QA is this G, D, D, E, F, G. That is 23 more than those training VARC. That's A, B, E, F. Okay, so E, F are gone, E, F are gone. So A is 8, G is 10. Okay, so if you take this out, that is 21. So you know D equals 21 plus B. And we also know D equals 2B minus 1. So 2B minus 1 equals 21 plus B. So this gives B equals 22. So D will be twice into 22 minus 1. 22 into 2 is 44, minus 1 is 43. And we also know B plus D plus F equals 100. So that is 65. So this should be 35. Okay, so we have all the values over here. Let's go and try to solve the questions one by one. Summarize this. Let's see. How many trainers teach LRDI? LRDI will be this total. That's 34, 40, 83. So 83. Question number 2. How many train LRDI and QA only? LRDI and QA only will be 43. So question number 3 asks, what is the average annual salary of trainers who teach all 3 test areas? So you can use a calculator for this. So we have 30 people getting 12 lakhs, 100 people getting on an average 17 lakhs. We don't know how much do 6 people get, and 136 people eventually getting 16.25. So if you take the total, so it'll be this times this. Similarly, I can do this also. So the total for all the 3 areas will be 2210 minus 360 minus 1700. That's 150. So it should come out to 150 divided by 6. That should be 25. You can verify. 25 lakhs is your correct answer. And the last one, if the average salaries of teachers teaching only VARC, only LRDI and only QA are in the ratio 2:2:5, what is the average salary of those who teach LRDI only? Now we are looking at only one area, right? So the total salary will be there in the total overall average is 12, right? If I take it in the ratio 2:2:5, the split is 8, 12, 10. So 8 people get 2x salaries. 12 people get another 2x salaries, and 10 people get 5x salaries. Overall average will be this divided by 30 people. This average will be 16 plus 24. That's 40 plus 50 is 90x. So it will be 90x divided by 30. This is 3x. 3x is equal to 12. So x should be 4 lakhs. So question is, what is the average salary of teachers who teach LRDI only? LRDI only is 2x. So 2 into 4, 8 lakhs is your average salary. Okay. A reasonably straightforward set. You had to be just patient to fill out the various regions. Not too difficult, a moderate level question. In an exam situation, should take you about 10, max 12 minutes. A definitely must do set. That completes this particular session on Break the Chain. If you liked it, please do share it with your friends who are preparing for CAT and other MBA entrance examinations. Please do subscribe to this channel. Leave a comment on how you felt this video was. If you want, and if you have any suggestions on any other videos which we need to do during this period, please do let us know. If you would like to, do look at our courses. The link is available in the description. Till we meet again the next time, goodbye and stay safe.